Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I will show you how to remove your linked bank account from Amazon Pay. So nowadays lots of UPI applications are available like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, PMAP and etc. At same time some users are using this Amazon Pay also for their secondary UPI application. But in few days back I feel this Amazon Pay is not secure one. So anyway, if you feel same thing, just follow me friends, because I show the steps to remove your already linked bank account from this Amazon Pay. So how to do it? So let's go to our tutorial. So there is no specific app is not available to perform these UPI transactions, which means that this feature is inbuilt from your Amazon shopping application. So first of all, open that Amazon app. So now in this section, in bottom it shows some icons. So here you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and then select Amazon Pay. So here it shows me Amazon Pay balance and UPI ID informations, but you can just tap your Amazon Pay UPI ID. And here it shows me link to HDFC bank details. So just scroll down. So now this time you can press more options. And finally I get the one option called deregister Amazon Pay UPI. So just press this option. And it asks for the confirmation. So you can press yes, deregister Amazon Pay UPI. So finally my HDFC bank is successfully removed from this Amazon Pay. And if you have money from your Amazon wallet, and it will very safe, so don't worry about it. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Data Box. And thanks for watching.